Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel yet again. This will be called Saturday teaser video because technically the unboxing will not be happening till tomorrow on Sunday. So I thought I'd just show 4 cars that I'm going to be unboxing as part of tomorrow's special unboxing. Trust me, you don't want to miss this unboxing. There's going to be these 4 NASCARs, 4 or 5 Matchbox Power Grabs, and a special Hot Wheels Premium 2-pack getting unboxed tomorrow too. Now, I can't tell you what the other cars will be because I don't have them with me, and they're somewhere else right now, unfortunately. So I thought I'd just show you these ones right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this Saturday teaser video before the unboxing, which will be tomorrow. Bye everyone, thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your fabulous, fantastic, wonderful weekend. Bye now. Thanks for watching.